Today we are testing onemoreshot, which is the sponsor of this video, an AI music video generation platform that lets you generate up to 8-minute videos from a song and a prompt. Perfect for independent artists, producers and creators who want a complete music video without shooting, editing, or stitching dozens of clips together. Let's go in. So first you go on onemoreshot.ai. Here we have an overview about the tool. As you can already read, studio quality AI music video generator. You don't need any editing skills. You just need a prompt and a song and you're ready to go. Let's hit start for free. Here you are inside onemoreshot. In the middle you see the chat box where you can describe your music video. You have different styles to choose from, like realistic music video, anime, PS2 low poly or others. You can generate music videos or lyrics videos. So we have a prompt of create a vibrant cinematic pop music video with rooftop city scenes and a dance performance moments. Now we add our song. We can upload our MP3, MP4 or other files here or just import it from a Suno link. We uploaded our custom music here. We can trim the audio, like we only want 1 minute here, but you can generate up to 8-minute videos. Let's hear it. Now we can choose a singer for this music video, so the character is consistent used for each scene, for each clip here. As you already can see, I have created 2 AI artists here. You can just upload a photo or create your own AI artist here. Just click on create. Now you name your artist, like Laura, add photos. You can upload up to 10 reference photos. The more the better. You can describe it or modify your custom character here, like changing hair, changing eye colors. You can choose from realistic or illustrated style and a bio, which helps to set the mood of the character. We just hit generate preview. Now it's analyzing our reference photos and analyzing description and moods if we inserted ones. And as you can see, it's just astonishing. He created a perfect reference character sheet here from different angles. We can insert refine prompts here, like we want to change the eye color or change the mood, but we are fine. We just hit save. Now we can use Laura here. We can also add more characters here, up to 3. We just hit done. We hit generate. The generation took like 5 to 10 minutes in my case, but it depends on the video length. Let's look at it.
Wake up, the sun is high. Every moment, give it a try. Ordinary's what you see. Make it shine, it's up to me. Take the chance, write the tune. Light the night, dance to noon. In my hands, it's crystal clear. Every moment's magic here. It's my day, it's my time. Turn it up, make it shine. Every step, every way, gonna make it an extraordinary day.
As you can see, the character consistency is on point. There is lipsync integrated just perfectly. We have cinematic scenes. If we look at the beginning, just awesome here. The prompt is followed. It's a rooftop scene. We have a dance crew moment. It was just flawless. There was no cut in between. We have multi-shot scenes. That was just great. Onemoreshot just nailed it here. Now we try the lyrics video. Create an emotional video in a train with rainy weather. We add the song. We add Laura again and hit generate. Now he's transcribing your full song for the lyrics video. And seconds later you have a full transcription here from your song. You can edit things here, add things, remove things, replace things, but that's accurate enough. We hit continue to preview and here is the result.
Write it down, let it flow. Feel the beat, let it show.
Let's skip to the refrain here, like this one.
Writing keeps me alive. Pen to page, let it roll. Every word a piece of soul. Write it down, let it flow. Songwriting's all I know. Write it down, let it flow. Feel the beat, let it show. Words collide, melody.
As you As you can see, the character consistency is again on point. We have a lyrics video. As you can see here, if we just remove the words we don't like the dot, we can do this like you saw before, or you can just hit continue editing. Here you have a full overview about your whole generated video. You can change the images where the clips are generated. You have the top models available like Nana Banana Pro, Nana Banana 2 and more. You can also add reference images to build your own custom image for a clip inside the music video, fully customizable. You can see on the shots here, you can generate the clips. Here you have again the top models available like View 3.1, Cdance Pro, Kling 3, Cdance 2.0 and more. And you have also a full video editor here where you can customize your clips, reduce it, deleting clips, adding clips, activate lip sync. Just great. Now we want to create a rap song with this song here.
Lights dim low and
We add a new singer, we add Max here, and we want the style like an anime style, and we hit generate. And here is the finished video. Let's look at it.
lights dim low and the screen comes alive. A classic scene where the legends survive. The Godfather speaks, it's a line so divine. Make them an offer, it echoes through time. Back to the future, the DeLorean speed. Timeless tales, plant the dreams that we need. In Casablanca, they whisper goodbye, but here's looking at you makes us sigh. Golden reels,
Nice, let's skip a bit.
golden reels, they stand the test. Classics that rise above the rest. Cold still shine, forever they'll stay. We watch, we feel, they take us away. Proficients fail into memory.
Just perfectly. The lip sync, even on the anime character, is on point. Fitting visuals, character consistency, the rhythm is in the video. It's just awesome. If you liked One More Shot, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.